Good morning. It is Sunday morning today. It is the 11th of March. I have an event today later on at the Palms movers and shakers. So I'm going to start getting ready very soon. But then I just remembered now that last week I went on Twitter because it's still International Women's Month. And last week was International Women's, I think on the 8th. And I remember that I saw someone tweeting, a couple of people ranting about how it was today that they did not pass through the toll gate, that they knew that they were going to pay toll for women. I was like, wow. That's me too, because I didn't pass through the toll gate on the 8th of March, and apparently some brands paid the toll for every woman that passed through the toll gate. I thought that was really thoughtful. And then when I started looking for evidence to make sure that this is actually true, and I saw a video on YouTube. Let me play it.
Happy International Women's Day.
Happy Women's Day. Beautiful.
Happy International Women's Day.
Thank you. I'll say thank you very much, Sunlight, for giving us free fare.
Thanks, Sunlight. You Sunlight.
Thank you, Sunlight.
Sunlight, thanks so much. That's what I
Yeah, nice one. Thank you, Sunlight.
Thank you so much. I really appreciate it.
Thank you, Sunlight, for the free access and happy International.
Oh, this, I don't know, where was I? What kind of nonsense is this? And I think that they were also giving out products. Oh my, see, they are giving out products just outside of the free access. They were giving out products. So outside of the free access, they were giving away products as well. Can you guys imagine? And then it's not just the women driving. I think that if you had a woman in the car, you automatically got free access. What's okay, that one has passed me by. If you missed out on this like I did, Sunlight is doing something else. I was so happy when I realized that the brand that did this, that this was Sunlight. So there's this Sunlight SHERO competition going on now. All you have to do is basically to enter for this competition, or to enter this competition, you have to write a letter, a handwritten letter to your mom, a very thoughtful letter, and then you just have to take a picture of the letter. Your writing has to be really clear and legible, and I don't know, just write something that somebody can read and post a picture of it on Instagram, and then use the hashtag Sunlight SHERO. Not just Instagram, you can post this on all social media. I think you can post this on Twitter as well. And then you should also tag Sunlight_Nigeria and Sunlight Dishwash NG. Like, you stand a chance to win a relaxing getaway with your mom if you enter for this. And aside from the relaxing getaway that you get with your mother, your mom also stands a chance to win an amazing prize. We don't know what that is, but they said big, so it's going to be something big. So all you have to do is just enter for this. I'm going to leave their details in the description box. And if you also want to watch this video by yourself, I am going to put a link to it in the description box.
It's important that what people hold and sell at wonderful price.
Hey guys, it's like around 5 p.m. now, so the sun is setting. It's not so good. Let me just move back a little bit this way. No, it's too dark. Like this, it's a lot better. Guys, this past 2 days have just been like stressful, like really stressful for me, starting from the weekend actually, but I don't want to go into what I dealt with this past weekend. You guys saw me last on Sunday when we went for the Palms event. Came back that evening and I finished editing the vlog. The vlog was supposed to go up on Monday. Put my system on and my desktop refused to come on. I tried everything. I tried minor troubleshooting that you would normally do. Nothing worked. I'm just so grateful now for Apple's customer care. Really good. Like, I've been on the phone with them since yesterday. They've just literally put me through like how to extract the file that I had in my system, put it in an external hard drive, and then transfer it back, and then try to save everything. And that's what I've been doing for 2 days now. Hey guys, so the short hair is back. I went to the salon yesterday and I had it cut again. I hadn't relaxed my hair in like 2 months, and I did that on purpose. And I'm on my way to Lekki Arts and Crafts Market now. I want to buy a bag. There's a type of bag that I want to buy, so hopefully I can find it there. But I'm going to take you guys along because that place is a really cool place and they sell really nice things there, all handmade. So I'll see you guys when I get there. Hey, this one, how much? 2,000. Okay, are you serious?
I'm serious.
Okay, I am just asking. 2,000.
Okay, I give you for 1.5.
You give me for 1.5. Okay, 800 no go buy them. For this one, what I show you now. Why you they laugh? Why they laugh? There's some really nice things in
How
here.
many you want to take now?
I want one, no, only one what I want.
Okay, take for 1,000, don't worry.
For 1,000. Ah. Okay, waiting be this.
This one now for lamp.
For lamp. Okay, lamp shades.
Yeah.
Oh, these are nice. How much are those?
This one is expensive. 6,000.
This bag here, Uncle. Make I see that one. Ooh. This is very similar to what I have.
This one is not Nigerian work.
This one na Bali, Indonesia.
Yeah, exactly.
So basically, this is mine here, and this is here. So this is the Nigerian one, and this is not Nigerian. So according to him, it's the material. You don't get this type of material around here. So really nice bags. I like these. Oga, good afternoon. Oga, how much are these?
5,000.
5,000. Is this leather?
Yeah.
Does it have a strap or inside? Oh, it has a strap. Give me those tiny ones, the smaller ones. Make I see.
How much do you want to get for this?
I think I prefer these ones.
I like these ones better.
The tiny ones. Oh, God.
Like this.
I prefer the tiny ones to the bigger ones, yeah. Okay, how much now?
How much do you pay for this?
500, make I take 1,000.
Take it 1,500.
No, 1,000, Oga now. I beg, put them inside the nylon for me. I like this. Okay, where did they make this thing?
Niger.
Niger Republic. So these bangles are from Niger. 1,000. Hey guys, so it's Sunday today and I am going to Lekki Conservation Center. I've not been there in a very long time, since 2012 when I was doing my youth service. So me and Kane, they were just going there to look around because I've not been in a while. Yeah, this lens is perfect for this. Yeah, this is... Hey guys! Her outfit is so gorgeous, guys. So freaking gorgeous.
Yeah, this is your new lens.
Yeah, this is a new lens.
I'm excited.
Yeah, it's like you're just lit. The lens loves you.
There's no sun.
I love this place. No, but then it's good. It's okay. If you don't need sun like that.
How many suns have you been here?
When?
How many suns have you been here?
I've been here once in 2012. I haven't been back since.
Oh, wow.
So me and Kende, we're at South now. I've heard so many good things about South. I've never been, so hopefully the food is nice because I'm really, really hungry. So I ordered some fries. These are like dirty fries with some cheese. Kende ordered egg roll.
Yeah, egg roll, avocado.
And Chapman for me.
Ginger beer.
ginger beer for candy. So my rice is here. This is jambalaya rice. It looks like jollof rice, but it is not. So we're about to chow down. From using one, I started using two. Thank you. Good morning, guys. So it's Wednesday today and I have a TV appearance at Ebony Live Studios. I'm about to start leaving the house. Hopefully there's no traffic. I don't know, like every single time that I've had something to do at Ebony Live, the traffic is always bad. So hopefully it's not as bad today.
Anytime she comes to our office, I'm always down here covering my please, she's a fine girl, don't mind her. Thank you so much for coming. You're welcome.
Are you done?
No.
I was just working now and I realized that I forgot to show you guys what I bought from the Lekki Arts and Craft Market. So I bought the two bangles that I showed you guys, the two that sold for 1,000. Wait, let me bring them out. So I got these two bangles. You guys saw when I paid for these. And I got this really cute bag here. This one sold for 1,500 naira and I've been using it to carry stuff around. I have my camera in here. I think that if I actually bargained well, I could have gotten this for 1K. And if you're wondering, the show that I was on yesterday is called Classic Moments True Stories. I'm not sure when it's going to air. I'll let you guys know when it's going to air. So basically that's it. And then the schoolboys that I took pictures with, I got into my car and one of them walked up and they were like, can we have a picture with you? I was like, are you guys serious? Are you serious? He was like, yeah, that they want to get a picture with me. And I was like, wow. So I just stood there and I took a picture with them and everybody was happy at the end. So going out now to have lunch with Fisayo. We're going to Craft Gourmet. Finally, I'm going to Craft Gourmet. I've not been to Craft Gourmet before. I'm going there now. See you guys. So this is where I'm going to. I'm not sure if Fisayo is here yet. Hey. I'm so sorry. Don't mind me on my camera. How are you? I'm good. How are you? Have you been here long? I ordered is it creamy chicken mustard? What is this? Mustard something creamy? Yeah, something like that. And then it comes with basmati rice. And then we have some hummus here with some bread. And Fisayo ordered the jollof paella. This looks so good.
Have some.
No, thank you. I want to finish my own. And then she has some green tea here. I'm having Chapman as usual. We just cleared the entire table and we're having this now. This is ridiculous.
Next time you have to try dulce de leche parfait.
Are you serious?
Completely addictive.
Are you serious?
Oh yes.
Okay.
You see? I'm serious.
Good morning. It's another Sunday today and today is the day of the YouTube bloggers event. I am going to be on a panel. I'm basically going to be talking to YouTubers, aspiring YouTubers, sharing my YouTube journey with them. It's going to be me and a couple of other bloggers, so I am excited. And today is also the day that I end this vlog, so I'm just going to end it once I come back from this. Guys, so okay, I just got to the venue of the event. I'm a bit late.
photographer. I run a blog called Beauty in Lagos. Lydia Sandy, and I'm a YouTuber, I'm a beauty blogger, and I'm based in Atlanta.
Okay guys, so I just got home. It's like almost 7 p.m. now, so I'm just going to take my makeup off, rest a bit, and then start editing this vlog. I'm going to have it up tomorrow. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.